In the swaying heights of a lush tropical forest, where sunlight filters down in soft, golden shafts through a cathedral of green leaves, a moment of absolute stillness holds the air. Nature is alive all around, the hum of cicadas, the gentle rustle of distant branches, and the occasional distant call of another bird. But here, on this particular branch, a strange silence has descended. Balanced upon the narrow span of a weathered brown twig is a snake, a vine snake, its body slender and supple, painted in the vibrant emerald of young leaves. Its scales shimmer subtly, catching the fractured light that dances down through the canopy. The snake's body coils loosely around the branch, the curve of its spine hugging the wood with a kind of casual precision that speaks of perfect balance. Its head extends forward, tongue flicking out in delicate, rapid strokes to taste the air. Just a few inches away, far too close for comfort, perches a small bird. Its plumage is a mix of earthy browns and warm golden hues, with a dark stripe running boldly across its eyes like a tiny bandit's mask. Its feathers fluff ever so slightly, a sign of tension, and its talons clutch the bark of the branch so tightly that the wood seems almost to creak in protest. The bird's black eyes are wide, fixed upon the slow, deliberate movements of the predator before it. This is no casual meeting. The sight of a snake is enough to send most animals fleeing, but this small bird has stopped. It is a weaver bird, and it is weighing the risks of flight against the peril of staying put. Its nest is close by, and inside that nest are eggs, or maybe even fledglings. To leave would be to expose those precious lives to danger, but to stay would be to confront a hunter with deadly weapons and cold, unblinking eyes. High above them in the emerald canopy, the two are locked in a silent duel, each gauging the other, each preparing for a split-second decision that could mean the difference between life and death. The question hangs in the air, heavy and still. Who will make the first move? We begin with the snake, with its emerald scales shimmering like polished jewels against the rough bark of the branch. Its eyes, elongated and yellow-green, hold the bird in their gaze, unflinching and precise. The snake belongs to the family of vine snakes, known for their slender bodies and lightning-fast strikes. They are ambush predators, masters of stillness, who strike with the suddenness of lightning. Its scales, like tiny tiles, fit together perfectly, allowing it to glide effortlessly through the undergrowth. Beneath its belly, a row of light-colored scales acts like a mirror, reflecting the colors of its surroundings and helping it to blend in seamlessly with the foliage. Every inch of its body is designed for life among the branches, for catching insects in mid-flight and snatching lizards basking on sun-drenched stones. And now it has its sights set on the small bird. The bird, on the other hand, belongs to the weaver family, renowned for their intricate nests and their social lives. These birds spend their days weaving a complex labyrinth of grasses and fibers, creating a home not just for themselves, but for the next generation of weavers. Their bodies, though small, are perfectly adapted for life in the canopy. Their beaks are short and stout, ideal for weaving, their claws sharp and curved, perfect for gripping branches and leaves. Their feathers are a masterpiece of natural camouflage, a tapestry of browns and golds that blend seamlessly with the colors of the forest floor and the sky above. The bird's keen eyesight allows it to spot danger from afar, while its agility and maneuverability make it a blur among the branches. The scene unfolds in a symphony of subtle movements and near-invisible cues. Each twitch of the snake's tail, each rustle of the bird's feathers, is a silent conversation between predator and prey. The snake's forked tongue darts out, tasting the air, gathering invisible clues about the bird's location and identity. The bird's nostrils flare, sensing the snake's presence, its heart beating faster, its muscles tensed, ready to spring into action. They are engaged in a silent battle of wits, a contest between instinct and adaptation. The snake relies on its honed predatory instincts, its lithe body perfectly suited for the chase. The bird counters with its quick reflexes and intimate knowledge of the trees. As the standoff continues, the tension mounts. The bird's small chest heaves up and down, betraying its mounting anxiety. The snake's scales practically gleam with anticipation. The minutes tick by, marked only by the rustle of leaves and the chirp of unseen insects. Then, as if a switch has been flipped, the snake lunges. In a blink, it shoots forward, its body uncoiling with lightning speed. The bird reacts just as fast, flapping its wings, beating the air as it takes off. With a desperate squawk, it rises into the air, soaring away from the danger that lurked in the branches below. The snake, its strike thwarted, recoils. For a moment, it hangs suspended in midair, its body taut with the effort of the sudden movement. Then slowly, deliberately, it returns to its perch, its eyes still fixed on the spot where the bird had been sitting. The bird, safe for now, circles above the treetops, its heart still pounding in its chest. The forest, which had been holding its breath during the tense standoff, seems to sigh and relax. The wind rustles through the leaves, carrying the scent of distant flowers and the sweet, earthy smell of the forest floor. From the bird's point of view, the snake was a threat, a creature of instinct and pure predatory drive. To the snake, the bird represented a meal, a chance to satisfy its hunger and nourish its body after days of fasting. Neither understood the other's perspective, nor did either know that they had stared into the abyss of the other's existence. For the snake, the thrill of the hunt is in the stalk, the chase, and the kill. For the bird, the joy is in the freedom of flight, the comfort of the woven nest, and the promise of another sunrise. Yet despite their differences, they share a common thread, an inextricable link in the grand tapestry of life. They are both vital threads in the fabric of the forest ecosystem. The snake, with its appetite for rodents and insects, helps to keep their numbers in check. The bird, with its voracious appetite for fruit, plays a crucial role in seed dispersal. As the sun begins its slow descent, casting long shadows across the forest floor, the snake slithers away, disappearing into the undergrowth. Its body, a sinuous ribbon of green, melts into the shadows like ink spreading on paper. The bird returns to its nest, chirping softly to announce its arrival. Within the safety of the woven walls, the eggs are warm, the chicks snuggled close. The bird fluffs its feathers, settling in for the night. Outside, the forest comes alive with nocturnal sounds, the hoot of an owl, the rustle of a civet cat padding through the underbrush, the croak of a tree frog. Inside the nest, all is still and peaceful. In the tapestry of life, every creature plays a role, every interaction weaves a pattern. The snake and the bird, though their paths may diverge, are forever linked in the story of the forest, a story written in ancient trees, whispered in the wind, and etched in the stars above. And somewhere in the vast canvas of the sky, a lone star twinkles, marking the passage of time and the continuity of life.